This music was made with Mureka, a music generator for your tracks. No matter if it should be fast or slow, Mureka can do it. Let's have a look. So first go on Mureka.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. You have some community songs here. You have the different genres like the hip hop, pop and so on. But we hop right into it. We hit the create button here. And now we have different options here. We can generate a song. We can generate a song without voices. And we can also edit the song. So let's try the song here. You can use predefined prompts here for the different genres. Here you can choose a model from Mureka. We continue just with the V6 here. And now we can enter a prompt here like a funky song. We hit create. While he is generating, he is describing what song he will generate. He's analyzing the prompt. He gives us more information about the song itself. Let's see. Yes, that's a funky song. Let's try another one. Let's skip a part here.
Keep moving, just keep hoping, just keep grooving.
So he generated a full song with lyrics just from 2 words. That's awesome. On the right here we have different options to choose, like download a whole video with a music video, extend it, trim it. Let's try to extend it. So we can extend it from the end or just from the middle somewhere. We have the lyrics here, but we want to just extend it in the end. We can add additional lyrics which will be added for this new track. So we just generated random lyrics here and we extend it. So the original end is this here. And now let's see the extended one.
Just keep moving, just keep hoping, just keep grooving. Just let your heart let it take flight. Under this moonlight we're dreaming.
Yes, that worked perfect. Awesome. So that's just a basic feature here. We can also click the advanced feature here. We can create songs by a reference. We can sing our own song here. We can describe our music style or just record some melody ideas. So let's try the reference one here. We take our funky groove here. You could also use some songs from the library here or just upload your own one. So we upload our own one here. We enter a genre like funk and a mood like happy. And we hit done. So he now has the reference here. We want to generate random lyrics for it. That was fast, like 5 seconds. We can also optimize the lyrics or write new lines or sections, but we hit just create. So he is describing the songs again, but we just want to play it. Yes, that sounds very familiar with the original one, but it's different. Let's try the other one. Yes, that's awesome. It's like the other song, but just a remix of it. Awesome. So let's try the vocal feature. Let's upload an audio. Now we have our voice here. Let's enter some lyrics like a sunny day on a beach. And we hit generate random lyrics. And now we hit create. So let's see. Skip it a bit.
Fabric, night and day grow, every step a dance, every breath a song in this bleeding.
On the instrumental feature here you have all from the song feature, but without voices or lyrics. We just enter a mood or a track idea, yoga, fitness, and we hit create. So let's play it. Yes, it's a smooth, relaxing one. Exactly that what we wanted. Let's try the other one too. Skip it a bit. Perfect. Here we see some keywords Mureka used for this generation. Relaxing, slow. You can also publish it here to the community, like it, send it with a link to your friends. Great. On the advanced tab here, we can choose from uploading an audio or use a YouTube link for reference. We can also select from predefined music here. Let's see. That's a launch music. Let's try it. And we hit create. You see here in the description it's focused on jazz. Let's see. Yes, the other one. Yes, very similar to the original one, but a remix of it. Wonderful. To the pricing of Mureka, you have two options here, the basic and the pro plan. On the basic you have 400 credits per month, it's like for 400 songs. You have a commercial license, so you can use it in a private project or a commercial one. You can download it with MP3. You have a faster generation queue and you can run 10 jobs at once. On the pro plan you have much more credits, you have access to the beta features, you can upload audios or use YouTube links as reference, and you have the full feature set of the audio edits here, like the region editing and the extend feature. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.